Hi, my name is Terry. I live in Loxahatchee, Florida. And behind me you see our new building from Eversafe building. We are so thrilled with it. The people that came and built it were extremely professional. They did a really good job. As you see, we keep our camper in there and it's nice and cool when we're working in there. As you see on the one side, my husband's work equipment is stored under the lean-to, which we love so much. We do a lot of work in there and it's very nice and cool. Well, the main reason we bought our building was to store our motor home. We want to make sure it was protected from any of the outside elements. When we go into the garage, we notice that it's very, very well sealed. We've had no issues with wind or rain or anything like that. We work in there a lot and we see that our motorhome and our other items that we keep in there are very well sealed in, so we don't ever have to worry about any intrusion. And all the people that came to build this building were very professional, very neat. We had no issues and we're very, very proud to have an Eversafe building on our property.